Hello students, as you know that you are doing the topic determiners and I hope that you must have done the last exercise, that is do it yourself, and today we are going to discuss these answers of do it yourself with reasoning, with what is the logic behind each and every answer, and you are going to check your answers and try to understand that why your answer is correct or why your answer is wrong. So let's see what is given over here. A few questions are there in first exercise. You have to fill in the blank with the right choice. Three choices are given in each part. You have to see which is the most suitable one, that you have to fill in the blank. So look at the first one. Have you got dash potato? The choices are any, a lot of. Now here look at the choice any. Why any is not suitable? Because when we are asking a question, so we are expecting answer in yes, so any is not suitable here. A lot of is not suitable because potato here it is singular and a lot of is used always with a plural noun if it is countable. So most suitable answer is because we are talking about one potato, so is the right answer. Next one is I eat dash ice creams in summers, and we all know that in summers we eat a lot of ice cream. So a lot of is the most suitable answer. Ice cream is actually uncountable and many is used with countable. We will not be using because this is already plural. So a lot of is the right answer. Look at the next part. I have got a stomach ache. I was thirsty and drank dash bottles of Coke. Now bottles are countable. So what we have to use here, countable, we have to use many, and B part, too many bottles of Coke is the right answer. Much we will not be using because bottles are countable. Any will not be using because this is positive sentence, so any will not go with it. So the right answer is too many. Fourth one is have you got dash money? So here also many will not go with it because money is uncountable. Little we will not be using because we are not asking about very less money. Okay, some is most suitable because we are expecting answer in yes, so some will be the most suitable answer. Next one, number 5, dash elephants are there in the zoo. Elephants are countable, so we have to use how many. How much will not go, only how, it is not making any sense. So how many is the right answer. Number 6, Neha is not eating dash cake, she is on a diet. So here it is a negative sentence, so we have to see many will not go because cake is uncountable. So out of some and any we have to choose any because it is a negative sentence. Number 7, dash of the workers turned up for the meeting. Now here the choices are neither, either, enough. When we are talking about in a negative sense, right, कि कोई भी वर्कर जो है मीटिंग के लिए नहीं आया, so in that particular case we have to use neither. Either we use when there are two choices, we have to choose one of them. So this will not go, enough will also not go, so neither is the most suitable answer. Number 8, you can wear dash the red frock or the yellow one. So in this particular sentence there are two choices, red frock and yellow frock, and one has to choose one out of them. So which is the right answer? Either. Any and all, these are not suitable in this particular sentence, so either is the right answer. Number 9, did you participate in dash competition as a participant? As the sentence is in simple past tense, okay. So next will not be used because if we are using next, it means we are talking about future tense. Any will not be used because it is not a negative, we are not expecting answer in no. So which is the most suitable answer? Last. Next one, number 10, this is the dash set of notebooks that I have to check. So out of these, first, enough, next. First or next can be the correct choices. So we can write first, okay. Now come to the second part, second question. This is add a suitable noun to each of the determiners given below. Put a tick mark against the countable nouns. Now simply what is given over here? A number of determiners have been given and we have to write suitable noun along with that determiner. And then after writing it, if the noun is countable, we have to put a tick in the box. So first of all, we have to think whenever we are using a determiner with a noun, whether this determiner is used with a countable noun or uncountable noun, or can be used with both. According to that, we have to put the noun along with this. So try to do it on your own and then check your answer by looking at whether the noun, if the noun is countable, you have to put a tick in the box. So for example, I have done in this way, like all can be used with both, countable as well as uncountable, but here I have written boy, so I have put a tick. Otherwise you can also write all the water, all sugar. Okay, so according to that we have to put a tick in the box. But if we are using countable noun with it, it will be a plural one, right? Some can be used with countable as well as uncountable, but here I have written sugar, so it is uncountable. I am not putting a tick in the box. Any can also be used with countable as well as uncountable. Here answer is written that is countable, so that's why the tick has been put. Second is used with singular countable noun. So if it is if room is written, then tick has to be put. Another will also be used with singular countable noun. So child, it is we have written child, so we have to put a tick. You can write on your own. If there are more choices, you can write your own nouns, right? Many can be used with plural countable noun, and here gifts has been written, and you all know it is a countable noun, so we have to put a tick. First, third, next, last, these all are the determiners, even each, these all are the determiners which are used with the singular countable nouns, right? Like first prize, third car, next street, last year, each boy. These all are singular countable nouns, so you have to put tick in the box. Even you can write some other countable, singular countable noun according to your wish. Next one is much, which is used with uncountable noun. I have written water, you can write something else which is uncountable. Then is either. Either we use with two choices and we have to choose one of them, like either red or blue, right? Similarly, next one, a few, is used with countable noun and mostly it is used with plural countable noun. So days is written, so we have to put tick in the box. A little is used with uncountable noun, so milk, I have written milk, so it is uncountable, no tick has to be put. Neither of the students, okay, so neither of the students, here we have to talk about like in a negative sense कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट नहीं आया या पिकनिक नहीं गया, वॉट एवर इट इज़. सो हियर वी हैव टू यूज़ नीदर विद अ प्लूरल this thing plural countable noun, so that's why tick has to be put in the box. Every is used with singular countable noun, so person is singular countable, so we have to put a tick. Enough can be used with both countable as well as uncountable. Here I have written food, which is uncountable, so we are not going to put tick. If you are writing a countable noun, you have to put a tick accordingly, because enough can be used with both of them. So in this way you have to complete this exercise and revise the whole unit. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.